Hello.
Hello, sir. Can we talk now, sir?
Oh yes, thank you for calling me back.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
I was having a little bit of a problem before when you called
Okay,
me.
sir. Yes, it doesn't matter, sir. Actually, sir,
Well, it was
my company is running 50% off promotion today, sir. 50%.
15% from who?
From Air Duct Cleaning Services, sir. I am from Air Duct Cleaning Services.
Oh, okay.
And, sir, we are not charging for hookup, not charging for sanitization, not extension. Your complete house is just one flat rate, sir. So, may I know how big is your house in terms of square feet, sir?
How many feet of the house?
How big is your house in terms of square feet, sir?
The big house is 2 floors is 2,500 feet square.
Okay.
It's like a 300 meters.
Size of your house, for that size of your house, sir, we're gonna charge just a flat rate $99 for the complete house duct cleaning, with including all taxes, with free sanitization, sir. Like in that point, sir, we will clean all the air ducts from top to the basement. All the airways will be cleaned from top to the basement. Your hot and cool airways, your main line of your duct system will be cleaned at that point. And that will do a sanitization that will kill germs, bacteria, toxins from your duct system. And only can be just $99 for the complete house duct cleaning, with including all taxes. After the job done, when you are 100% satisfied, sir. Okay?
You make the sanitization too. What about the clean? What about the duct go? You know when you go in the bathroom, you got to put the fan.
Sir.
So we got an air duct for the fan because when you go to the bathroom, you make it like a poots smell, right? Because I go with my friend to the restaurant today. I don't know what happened, but you called me before. I never experienced something like that in my life. So now I'm thinking maybe it was so bad I needed a sanitation of the duct for the stink exhaust under the bathroom. You guys do this job too?
Sir, they do the sanitization, sir. Don't worry, they will.
No, but you do this. I understand you do the furnace duct, but what about the duct that go outside?
Sure, I tell you. Sir, we're gonna clean each and every air duct, each and every air vents from top to the basement.
Yeah.
It means we're gonna clean everything, right?
So that way it's not gonna smell anymore, because I'm worried maybe it come like some sickness from there, because it was unbelievable.
Like when my technician will be there, they're gonna inspect in front of you everything, right? And
Yeah.
you're gonna show them like where you're getting the smell, right?
Well, I know where the smell come from. The smell coming from when I go to the bathroom. I'm saying because it was so bad, they need the sanitation to go also clean up the duct that go outside the exhaust duct from the bathroom.
Sure, for sure they're gonna clean. They're gonna do the sanitization over there too. Don't worry about that.
Well,
Okay?
because I right now I can't have no guests come to my house. It's so bad. I had to open the windows, and it's cold outside. So now the furnace is blowing. It's just blowing the hot air outside, and I still can't get rid of that smell. That's why I could use somebody to clean. More important, the bathroom duct than all the other duct in the house.
Right, sir. They're gonna clean all the other duct and everything. Like I said, truly is gonna be clean each and every duct, each and every vent from top to the basement. So don't worry, it's not gonna be happening.
How are they gonna clean it?
Sure, my two expert guy gonna come with your door itself with a big mountain truck, a 16-foot moving truck with a higher pressure commercial vacuum. That immense pressure is 360 per square inch. Before starting the job, sir, they're gonna explain you like how they're gonna do it, right? What kind of equipment they are going to use to clean your duct system. Then they're gonna start working, okay? And everything is gonna be done in front of you, right? They're gonna start from your basement, where they're gonna connect the pipe to your mainline duct system, right? And the one of my technicians will go each and every room, each and every vent, and each and every duct to clean everything and push all the ducts and debris to your mainline duct system, where my mounted vacuum machine is already working. It will gonna suck all the ducts.
And then they make the sterilization.
This sanitization they're gonna do after the duct cleaning. When it's gonna be, the job will be completed, and
Yeah.
they're gonna do the sanitization.
How do they make this destination?
Sure, like from the, like they're gonna turn off your furnace and put the sanitizer into your main line of your duct system and spread that sanitizer into all your duct and vents.
But what is it, like Mr. Clean, something like that? Is it Lysol? What are they to sanitize? Bleach?
It's a herbal sanitizer. It's a 3% organic sanitizer, which made to kill germs, bacteria, and pathogens from your duct system, right?
Oh, I don't know if this germ in the exhaust vent when I just because you called me before, but I was into the bathroom, and I think the germ is so bad that we need like a special sanitization. I never experienced something like this in my life. It was unbelievable. You know, in Napoli, they got the volcano. Hello? Hello? Man, bye-bye.